There are different tips for creating consistent AI characters across the internet, but I recommend to start with creating image of your character and then go to video generators. There are few different ways to generate multiple images of the same person. First option is well-known feature of Stable Diffusion for creating relatively consistent characters. You can use it in Stable Diffusion-based image generators. One of the best of them is Leonardo AI. You can describe all the possible details like hair, eyes, face shape, clothing, etc. And what is most important, give some name to your character. Faces on the images will look like it's almost the same person. Of course, you just can't predict how the name will affect the appearance of the character. I like Leonardo AI because in other image generators I got something like typical Stable Diffusion face with just few face details that make it more unique and consistent, but it's not really different from other regular generations. This service can help you generate pairs of name and surname. You can choose names common for different countries, ancient or fantasy names. Another option is character reference. It can go by different names and work in different ways. First example is completely free image generator, Picleman AI. Upload your image here. Click on it and select character ref option. Values like 0.5 or 0.6 are enough, and enter your prompt here. You can use prompt enhance so it will become more detailed automatically. I'll change aspect ratio. Character ref option copied face and face expression from the original image, but hair color isn't pink and eyes aren't blue like on the original picture, so I specified this in prompt. And now they match. RenderNet AI also has almost similar tool for character creation. You have to upload image of your character in character creation section. Then crop the face area. In the next tab, you can select different parameters of your character, including type of hair and its color. Give name to your character. In this case, name is just ID and it doesn't affect the images. Here is Generation tab. This is automatically started image generation with default prompt. You can select another character and create new one. With Strength slider, you can control correspondence between reference character face and generated ones. Hyperreal face should be enabled. There is only one aspect ratio is available on the free mode. I'll show you how you can fix this later. You can get up to 4 images at once, and I'll replace this prompt with my own I previously used in Picleman. Okay, and here is auto-generated image. You can see that everything is perfect except the eye. My images are ready. I'm happy with this result. But if you want to make your character cry, it's not enough to just specify that she or he is crying. By the way, my character looks unhappy this time, and there is some problem when the character is very happy. Initial face is barely recognizable in this images as for me, but overall quality is good. If you aren't happy with aspect ratio restrictions, you can use image expansion feature, which is available in most image generators. In Picleman, you just have to upload your image. Click on it to see full list of available options. Here is it. Drag these borders, or use these buttons. You can move the image. I want to expand only right side of the picture. Prompt is optional. Result is just perfect. You can expand it one more time. I'll make it twice larger. But now you'll see why you have to be careful if you expand image more than one time. This image is also good at first glance, but on the bottom and the right side appeared some kind of frame. Such artifacts spoil images if you expand images without fixing them. I'll expand it so you'll see how these small artifacts affect the result. Prompt will be the same. You can see that part of the frame on the right side becomes some wooden stick, which isn't bad, but on the bottom we can see the wall which wasn't mentioned in my prompt. So it's better to edit this image to get rid of such artifacts and then expand it. After you created enough images you needed, you can go to Video Generator and use Image to Video option. I'll use Runway because it provides some of the best results among other services. There are not so many adjustments, so you have to include in your prompt all the details you want to see in the video. I'll set duration to 5 seconds. Great result, but she looks like she is hypnotized. Don't forget that you can use last frame option. I'll use image before applying expansion as first frame and expanded version as last frame. This video will be 10 seconds long. You can see this zoom out effect, but the scene is still static enough. After I mentioned strong wind and my prompt leaves started moving, which looks very natural. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.